Now, I might get in trouble for this video, but I don't give a shit because it's all about the truth. Women are not very loyal creatures in general. Just went on a date with a beautiful girl for a coffee, and she's telling me how all of her long-term friendships are starting to fall apart. Friends that she's built over many years. And these girls just so easily walk away from each other because of how they feel. Everything is very much a feelings and emotionally based thinking with a woman. With guys, it's like, bro, I've known you for 10 years, man. You're my guy. Let's solve this bullshit and move on. But with girls, it's like, I just don't feel like our friendship is going in the right direction anymore. I just don't feel like you're offering me the same value you used to offer me. It's all this kind of like feeling, and she's just like feeling emotional about her relationship with her friend. Female nature is very interesting to study, and it gets better as you get older. So don't take no advice from an 18-year-old on YouTube, because he don't know shit about female nature, because he hasn't spent enough time and been experienced enough. But when you're like me and you've dated thousands of girls and you've slept with, lost track, and approached thousands of women, and you spend time with them and you're emotionally intelligent, you will learn what these women are actually like. You know, how they operate, what's their nature, what ticks them, what gives them the ick, what works for them, what doesn't work for them. So I find with a lot of women, loyalty isn't exactly their best point. They break off long-term relationships that they've been with when it comes to their friends even. So imagine what it's going to be like for a guy. Bro, you are days away, a second away, a minute away from a breakup, or from her completely changing her mind and walking away from you because of how she feels, or some random emotion has just popped up into her head. So the point of this video is to basically tell you, don't get frustrated or too worked up over a decision that she makes. Because women will make a decision on just a quick snap, like, tired of this guy, done with him. No, tired of our friendship, sorry, don't want to know you anymore, goodbye. And that could be like a 5-year relationship. You could be talking like, you've been with this girl for 5 years, and all of a sudden her emotions are playing up. God knows, she's just had her period is playing up, and now she's doesn't feel like you're the right guy anymore. I don't know, it could be anything. So you don't want to get too worked up over female nature or a decision that a woman makes which completely turns your life around. You need to be stable as a guy. Stability is the key. Like, a man needs to be emotionally strong and stable and immovable no matter what happens. Even if a girl's like, yeah, I'm done with you, be like, yeah, cool. All right, you're walking away from me? Why? Why are you walking away from me? She probably won't tell you. If she does, that's a bonus. I'm in a position now where I'm looking for closure, actually, over a girl that I liked many months ago. Guess what? I won't get that closure. Just because, again, when women walk away, they don't feel the need to explain things to you or to explain why they've walked away from you. They'll just walk away from you and not talk to you and ghost you. Women are experts at ghosting each other, never mind a guy, right? Girls will just ghost each other, even though they've been friends for years. Oh, I'm just not feeling talking to her. No, I just don't feel good about it. I'm just not going to talk to her right now. So, my bro, like, you can't get worked up over it, over what a woman does to you, over the fact she's ghosted you, over the fact that she's walked away from you, over the fact that she's not responding to you. You need to be an immovable object. You need to be strong as fuck. You need to have options, and you need to have shit going on in your life. A purpose, a good body, good looks, good energy, good vibe, God, faith, a good job, good friends, good guys around you, activities that you do, so that if she changes her mind, you just move on and you don't question it too much. Because when it comes to loyalty, women are very, very flaky. They are not solid. They offer many other beautiful things to us men, but pure, utter loyalty and brotherhood, there's a reason why it's called brotherhood, because women ain't got it.